One second. So before we continue this session with Parliament and Apex students, I would like to thank all the speakers in the welcome session for your time and for your valuable speech. And there are lots of takeaways from them. You'll see them again and again. So before we thank the whole team, I would like to say that you make a note of what each one of them has said. Just one sentence, like each one of has spoken a very valuable thing that will be useful for you for next 4 years, 5 years. Keep everything in mind. Okay, like for example, eat 3 times a day, sleep properly, drink water. Okay, all of this will be useful for everybody. So on behalf of SLC, I like to thank all my colleagues here who have spoken, and you may continue to be part of the session. Otherwise, we thank you very much. We'll give a round of applause to them. May have been in hostel, again you are away from home. We try to recreate a homely atmosphere. We try to celebrate as many festivals as possible. The initiatives come from the students. Okay, so if some student want to say, okay, I'm from this area, there is this festival, I would like to organize it, we would support that. So the list is not limited. Okay, it's not limited to just Diwali, Holi, Ganesh Puja. Okay, list is many. So we celebrate national days. The Campus Life Committee, I think Sachin and most of them are members of that. Okay, and all the committee have student members. Okay, then we have NSS. NSS, again, it's a very active committee, active group. They take part in cloth collection drive, take part in cleaning. They go around in the lesser privileged places and take up different projects with them. Okay, there are lots of opportunities. Okay, so it's up to you how to utilize your time. Okay, you devote your time for academics, devote your time for research, but take a little part of it and pursue a hobby, do a social cause, commit to something else apart from this. Okay, giving 100% for this is also not good. Okay, your academic would be affected. So please keep an eye on how to manage time, how to not get into stress by, doing lots of things like everybody's talking about the newfound freedom. Okay, you have to use your freedom judiciously. Okay, so we have Mr. Prabhakar here. He's a student life office assistant manager. Okay, so if you have any proposal, okay, so it's not just in 3rd year or 4th year come up with proposals. We have another clubs. Again, there'll be a session on it, and I would like our students to talk about it. Okay, you can join a club immediately or have a look at all the clubs. There are sessions organized by Apex. Apart from sports committee, cultural committee, campus life committee, NSS, okay, we also have counselors, coordinators, part of SLC, because that also is important. Then, most important wing of SLC is the students wing. So we have student parliament and Apex. I would like them to talk about it. So I invite Sunil and Ankit and present about what students parliament is all about. Then followed by Apex students. Okay.
MTech student, and I'm the General Secretary of the Students' Parliament. So, tiring day, huh? Yeah. See, the response is telling me the same. So, yeah. So, I won't take very long because, of course, I know that you've been through a lot of process and there's been a lot of admission, all the paperwork and everything. So, just a brief introduction. The Students' Parliament is like a democratic body of the institution. The students choose their own representatives. We take up all the students' issues in the communities. we, are direct contact to many faculty. So if there is any problem that you have, or, any services that you need in the institution, the parliament is the body that you need to go to. In fact, you guys also get to be a part of the students' parliament. We'll have an election shortly where, any one of you could nominate yourself, have a short democratic election, and, get a chance to represent your own batch. Apart from that, we have different subcommittees within the parliament with which look into work in different areas. We have the hostel com, we have the mess com, and different areas like that. We also have a grievance subcommittee which has been constituted this year, which will take care of all the different issues that you might face. So ultimately, the idea behind it is good communication. So we are the representatives, and we are here, and we are there to look after you. So what you need to do is just communicate with us. We have our email IDs. You have your own representatives, your seniors, and we get the problem sorted as soon as possible. We also have another session on the parliament when we will outline the process in detail in a few days' time. So on Tuesday, to be very precise. So you'll get more information about it on that day. But yeah, I would say that this is the time, I would say, because you've been into coaching and everything, most of you. So just enjoy, take a step forward. It would be very difficult. I must assume that most of you will feel very hesitant in taking steps forward, taking new initiatives. But go ahead with it and you won't regret it. I'll now hand over to the speaker and he will tell you more about it.
So I'm Sunil Almolu. I'm third year BTech CSC student. I welcome you all to IIIT from Parliament side. So like Ankit said, what is Parliament and like what's the duties of Parliament, how it works and how to contact us. And Pinkreddy sir said about rules of hostels. I don't know whether you know about the rules, hostel rules. Please go to internet.iiit.ac.in and there you can get that document of hostel rules. Please go to that and like follow those rules. It's better like we try to hand over those rules to you in your WhatsApp groups or like a UGT 19 Facebook group. Go to that and follow those rules for at least for whole 4 years. Like in 2 years we'll have a curfew. I don't know whether curfew is like there this time. But the curfew is like up to after 10 p.m. in the night, and for the first 2 to 3 weeks, you are not allowed to get out of your hostel. Where like it's better you follow for the first 2 weeks because this ragging and all this go on in the campus. You'll be asked to come to obey. That's all different thing. We'll talk about this in the parliament meeting and like later time. So like for now, I'll hand it to Shivan. He's also a member, parliament member. And you enjoy your time in these 2 weeks time induction schedule like introduced by campus like a few years back is to like you get to know about the society and life and like you're coming directly from IIT coaching and all the stressful job. So you enjoy your thing in these 2 weeks. After that you will get busy with academics and try to like know what you like and what to do in life and do that, be happy and like okay.
Hello, welcome to IIIT. So as sir both have already introduced to parliament, just I want to say if you have any problem like even like your room light is not working, tap is the tap is leaking or so you can, these are small problems. And to the bigger problems like some people have complained there are problem in their mess bills and hostel bills, to the big problem also. So any problem or you feel you want to bring some change in the hostel campus, so you can suggest to us and we always try to do our best to solve the issues.
One thing I'll add before we shut it for the day, just a piece of advice. You guys are young and what I feel is what is most important, your academics are important. Probably a lot of you look at the placements and that also you feel is very important. What I feel is developing a good communication skill is very, very important. And this is the time because see, you all are new, you don't know each other as of now, most of you. So, communicate with each other, build a community, develop on your communication skills and it will pay a long, long way.
in the first 2 weeks, try to interact with seniors and your batch students as much as possible, because after that, like, you'll get busy with academics. You don't get time to interact with seniors, either with your batch students also. In the first 2 weeks, the time will be there, and I think after 5 p.m., these sessions will happen by Apex members. Please try to attend all those sessions. I know, it starts at morning 9 a.m. and ends at around 8 p.m. in the night. After that also, seniors will ask you to interact with them. First 2 weeks, you'll be get bored, but try to attend all the sessions in the induction schedule.
How's the Josh? So basically, my name is Sachin Chandani and I'm an Apex member. So I'll introduce what Apex is and introduce you to some of the systems in IIIT. So we are a student welcoming body consisting of generally 14 members and SLC, Students' Lives Chair. And our mission is to make your 2 weeks interesting. Basically, you've been in school and you have been dreaming about this day that I'll join college and life is chill, right? So we have to make it chill for at least couple of weeks. So we plan the induction schedule for you. You don't have any academic stress for next 2 weeks, and we have events planned for you on regular basis where you don't have value education and field trips. If you closely see the student kit, you will see all the events that are organized by Apex body, and none of them has anything related to your acads. So our mission is introduce you to all the available opportunities you can create in the college, so you don't miss after 3 years that I could have done this. We want to introduce you to the college fest. We want you to introduce to the campus canine management. We want you to introduce to the entrepreneurship cell. So you can explore your interest and you can know better about college and you can explore the opportunities you can create. So now I'd like to introduce all the Apex members. So we are 14, but all of them are not available. So I'll call upon our team. So my name is Sachin Chandani, UG4.
My name is Devesh Ujavargya. I am from UG3.
Hi, I'm Isha from UG3.
I am Priyank Modi, UG3.
Hi, I am Vashish, UG4.
Hi, I am Himanshu Maheshwari, UG3.
I'm Rohdev Avinjam from UG3.
I'm Mugdha Abhyankar, UG4.
Hi, I'm Yanit Sirinani from UG4.
Hello, I am Abhishek Reddy from UG3.
Hi, I'm Meghna from UG3.
Have their cluster meetings. You got your admission letter and you got a paper which has your Apex member name, mentors, and the faculty mentors. So what will happen is, now you're new to campus, you don't know the person sitting beside you. So it's our duty to introduce you to your batchmates. So we have divided you into 15 clusters. Each cluster has 20 students, 6 mentors, 1 Apex member. So we'll continue with some meets. We'll let you interact with your batchmates. We'll let you interact with your cluster mates so you can know them better. You can know us better. One thing that faculty mentioned was that you should know where to get help and when do you want the help. So these cluster meetings are for those things. So if you want any kind of help, our numbers are in the student kit. Our numbers are on the paper that we have given you. So if you have if you need any kind of help, even if you are lost in campus you have fever and you can't attend a class. If you need any kind of information, you can just call us in any time of a day. Okay? Clear? Okay. Thank you.